I got these stuffed under here because we have multiple dogs in the house, but I got these for my little Chihuahua, and she adores them. Easy fill. The food, you just open up the top and you fill the food in there. The water has this, but there's no hole for the water. You have to take it off and fill it, but that's good because it needs to be cleaned when you do anyway. But yeah, these are great. I would recommend them. The water doesn't leak. You can see it doesn't overfill. Same thing with the food. Just enough comes out. I actually filled that overfilled more than comes out of it because I just filled it.